Somewhere in a factory right now, a river of wax is being dyed every color you can imagine. In the next few minutes, you'll watch a dull block of paraffin become one of the most recognizable objects from your childhood, in every color at once. This is how crayons are made. It starts with something surprisingly plain, paraffin wax. It arrives in dull, colorless blocks. No scent, no color of its own, just a blank canvas waiting for pigment. The color comes from pigment, fine concentrated powder in every hue, from deep reds to cobalt blues. Just a small spoonful is enough to color an entire batch of wax. The wax blocks are melted down in large heated tanks until they turn into a warm, clear liquid, ready to take on any color at all. Now the pigment goes in. As it's stirred through the liquid wax, color spreads and deepens in seconds, turning clear wax into a vivid pool of red, blue, or gold. The colored wax is poured into long metal molds, each one shaped into dozens of crayon cavities. A single pour can fill an entire rainbow tray in seconds. The filled molds travel through a cooling tunnel where the wax hardens from the outside in, locking in its color and shape. Once hardened, the molds are flipped and the crayons are ejected, popping out in perfect rows, every color ready at once. The loose crayons are sorted by color, sliding down into matching channels, reds with reds, blues with blues, until a rainbow of neatly organized bins forms below. Each crayon spins rapidly as a plain paper label wraps snugly around it, adding a clean, finished look. Some crayon lines get one more step. A quick spin against a precision blade gives every tip that same satisfying point. Before boxing, a quick check makes sure every color, point, and label meets the standard. The last careful eyes before a crayon reaches its box. The crayons are arranged in perfect color order and dropped into boxes, the same satisfying rainbow spectrum you'd find in a brand new box, ready to be opened. And that's the journey, from a plain block of wax to a full box of color, ready for the next drawing. If you enjoyed this, stick around. There's a whole world of everyday things waiting to be taken apart, step by step.